Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Cleanpethome Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. Cleanpethome Automatic Cat Litter Box takes the hassle out of maintaining a clean and odor-free environment for your beloved feline friend. No more scooping and sifting. The advanced self-cleaning mechanism ensures your cat always has a fresh and hygienic litter box to use. Equipped with a cutting-edge odor elimination system, this self-cleaning cat litter box neutralizes unpleasant smells and keeps your home fresh and inviting. Enjoy a clean, odor-free space, without the need for constant maintenance. By reducing the amount of litter wasted and minimizing the frequency of litter changes, our automatic litter box not only helps you save money but also contributes to a greener planet. Spend less on litter and reduce your carbon footprint at the same time. Designed with your home in mind, this self-cleaning litter box operates quietly and discreetly, ensuring it doesn't disturb your daily life. The compact design allows it to blend seamlessly with your home decor while providing your cat with a comfortable and private space. Traps 99% odor sensible to you and your cats by sealing cat waste in between the two layers of the trash bags. Gives multi-cat family up to a week-long hands-free experience thanks to the vertically shaped trash bin that is engineered with a 30-day storage capacity for an average cat. Number 2 in this best cat litter box for multiple cats list is Homagico Foldable Cat Litter Box. With cute cat paw prints on both sides, this cat litter box is perfect for various occasions, such as living room, bedroom, bathroom and your yard. It is not only a cat commode, but also can be used as a delicate decoration to decorate your home. The foldable closed litter box can be installed and disassembled in only 3 minutes, making the cat litter box easier for you to use at home or outdoors. The covered cat litter box has a large interior space, which is convenient for cats of all sizes to enter and turn around. Reduce indoor odor emissions, keep the air fresh, and make cats feel more comfortable and safer. The one-way designed cat-shaped front door can only enter but not go out. Cats can go out from the top entry of cat box. At the same time, the large area hollowed out sand falling pedal of litter boxes protects the cat's paws. The stuck litter can be shaken off and fallen into the sifting litter box during the jump, effectively ensuring room cleaning. The pretty pull-out drawer design can shovel and exchange the cat litter easily. Equipped with a scoop, it can be hung on the side of this enclosed box with a drawer for convenient use, giving pet owners a convenient and relaxing experience. Our third choice is Petmate Large Sifting Litter Box. Lift to sift, no scooping required, easy to clean. Large cat litter box comes with 1 sifting box and 2 regular boxes. When cleaning, the patented sifting technology lets cat litter pass through easily, leaving clumps behind. No cat litter scoop needed. Built-in microban protection inhibits litter box smells. It is recommended your cat litter box be 1.5 times longer than your cat. Replace your cat litter box every 12 months to maintain freshness. Arm & Hammer is not just a friend of furry family members, but the environment too. We produce eco-friendly, sustainable pet supplies for cats and dogs, from kennels to high-sided litter boxes to cat litter scoops. Great for pine litter, crystal cat litter, pellets for cat litter box and clumping cat litter. We suggest Arm & Hammer Slide. Litter maintenance boxes like this are an affordable alternative to pee pads. Indulge your kitties with a ventilated open-top design and a sizable cuboid litter bed that is 24-inch wide by diagonal. Use as much as 33 pounds of any clumping cat litter to minimize your upkeep efforts or maintenance burden. Fourth pick in this best cat litter box for multiple cats list is Ness Pet's Odor Control Cat Litter Box. Prevent litter and odor from taking over your home with the Ness covered cat litter box. The high polish finish of this litter box is easy to clean and resistant to stains and odors. The hooded top features a 2-way swinging door that helps trap odors and urine spray inside the box, for a clean and tidy litter box area. The 2-way swinging door allows easy entry and exit from the box, while keeping odors inside. The included Zeolite air filter, F6, helps absorb and reduce odors. Replacement filters are available separately. 4 latches secure the hood to the base, preventing the hood from falling off when in use. When using litter box liners, the latching lid secures the liners in place. Unique, patented, clean step entrance captures litter scatter by wiping cat's paws as they step. The dome litter box is 50% larger than the average cat box, but the built-in handle makes it easy to clean and move. A charcoal filter minimizes unwanted odors to keep your home as fresh and clean as possible, even in a multi-cat household. Replacement filters and litter box liners are sold separately. Also, check out our cat litter scoop and cat litter mat selection. Our fifth and last choice is ABRCT self-cleaning cat litter box. Automatically clean up the excrement after the cat has finished defecating. Automatically detect when the cat has left the safety and set the delayed cleaning time by app. The excrement is separated from the clean cat litter in the litter box. Just replace the litter bag when it is full. Microwave radar 360-degree defense, cats approaching automatically stop. Heat sensing inside the bucket, cat inside the bucket to stop running the machine. Infrared sensing at the bottom of the bucket, if the cat is caught, the machine stops returning and notifies you by app immediately. 1 key poop removal, 1 key litter replacement function, record toileting habit data to monitor the safety and health of cats, toileting situation litter cleaning, litter box full, abnormal notification. Unique design sieve filter, bentonite sand, mixed mineral sand, plant sand and other long and short coarse and fine cat litter can be applied. Petmate is not just a friend of furry family members, but the environment too. We produce eco-friendly, sustainable, recyclable products from kennels to litter boxes and many in between. Ideal for dog litter box, puppy litter box, rabbit litter box, ferret litter box. A must-have for your pet supplies for any indoor pet that is housebreaking or potty trained. Less expensive than puppy pads.